What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. We've got a few goodies here from AWR we're going to be installing over the next couple of videos, but today we're going to be doing the tow hooks, and this is going to be a pretty simple install, so let's go ahead and jump into it. Alright, so we've got a front and rear tow hook today. The smaller of the two is going to be the front, and this is going to go right where the factory baby teeth tow hook goes in the front. And I actually already had a tow strap mounted there, so we're going to unbolt this and bolt the AWR hook up right to that spot.
I bet it still bends.
God.
I don't know that I would have trusted this.
Yeah, really. Alright, so as you can see, that Takata strap I had on there, that bent super easily with a wrench, which I don't know, the way it was bolted up, I don't know if that exactly would have gone down like that, but still, that was not very strong. And I never even used that thing. It was pretty much just for looks. Looked cool, but yeah, I don't know if I would have trusted that at all to actually pull the car. We're now going to wiggle the AWR hook in. It's a little bit tight, but you can do it through the mouth of the bumper like this. We're going to go in from the back and then just pull it through the hole. Yep, and then you can slide it through like that. So something that may help you a lot actually is turning the wheel to the side, and you can actually get a lot better of an angle at these tow hook bolts from going in from the wheel well here, just kind of going behind the bumper. Alright, so we've got our 4 factory bolts now. We're going to use to install the AWR hook in the factory location, and then this thing should be super strong. So we'll probably do the same thing now. We'll just cock this wheel to the other side, and then we can get in from the back, and we'll have a lot easier time getting these bolts in. Alright, and that does it on this one. Super simple install, looks awesome, and I have no doubt with the thickness of material used on these and how and where they're mounted that they will perform when the time comes. There shouldn't be really any concern using these to pull the car, and you shouldn't have to worry about bending or breaking anything. So if you want to check these out or any other AWR products, you can do that at awrracing.com. And you can save 10% off your order of anything at awrracing.com using my code ALEX. But that does it for this one. As always, thank you for watching, have an awesome week, and we'll see you in the next one.